Bago kayo magluto, mag-bless muna kayo doon. Mag-toothbrush muna. Yung mga damit mo na basa, pwede mo nang anin yun. Kusutin mo muna para ano. Meron kang masuot. Pabaho yan. Mainit. Meron nga akong sampayan dun eh. Pa nasasagot. Mukha ka ng sabon. Tanong mo kayo rin meron dun sabon sa amin. Lagyan.
Hello, teacher.
Good morning. Good morning. Can you hear teacher? How are you? How are you, Behay?
You and you?
I'm good, and you? I'm great, and you? I saw your homework. Oh, let's check this first. What is it?
I don't know.
You don't know your homework? Okay, let's check it first, okay? I saw that you did your homework. But there are some problem here. Okay, here, Behay for this forgot there is and there are. There is and there are. There was and there were. There was and there were. Okay, for example, there is a big kitchen in our flat. There is, so it should be there. Behind should be there. There. These are wrong. Okay, let's do it again. Let's do it again. Let's answer one more time. Okay. Let's use there is, there are. It should be like this, Behay. Should be there is. There is if it's only one. We use there are if this is plural or more than one. Okay, for sentence. For question are. For question. Okay, it can also there was and there, wherefore, past form. Okay, let's use this. For example, there is. Can you read? There is a big kitchen in our flat. There is, okay? So what is this? What are you going to use? Only 2 eggs here.
There are.
Okay, use there are. Please write. Make it beautiful. Nice. Write it like this.
Cái này như là 10 tấn. Nha, đúng là nha. 10 tấn nha.
Bù sừng, bù sừng, bù sừng. Oh.
Okay. There are only 2 eggs here. Can you buy some more, please? Okay, next. Okay, next. Go, go, go. Okay, here. Behind. We went. It's yesterday. So we use was or where. It's yesterday, the other day. Okay, happened. So, it's only one behind. We went to a party yesterday. Only one. Okay, what's missing? You should use this. There. What's missing? Complete it.
I can hear you. I can hear you.
I can hear you. What's number 4? What's number 4?
Cân. Cân.
Mhm. Okay, very good. There are. Next, number 5.
Okay.
Look with S. Is it R or is?
There. There. Cân.
Okay, very good. Behai, good job. Next, Behai. Okay, use. Okay, very good. Next.
Banana.
Oh, look, Behai, it's letter A. It means 1. So what will you use? A clean plate. It means 1 plate. A clean plate. So you will use this is there is. There is a clean plate because it's only 1 behind. Number 8. What's this?
One squid. Manika key.
Okay, very good. That's great. Good job. Well done, Behai. Okay, teacher. Teacher will give you your...
Teacher no give you your asking.
Teacher is happy about this.
No.
I'm very
Teacher
happy.
is no. I'm very no.
Okay, teacher is very happy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 out of 7. Okay, remember there is, there are, there was, and there were. Okay? Okay, so this is in the past. I'll take a picture of this so that you will remember this. I want you to review. Read the sentences. Go.
Bing bong, bing bong, hát từ thư đi tới nhẹ. Đây là cơ, no bing bong, hát tới thư em nhẹ em
Huh? Okay, how about this, Behar? What about this? Let's check this first. Why you didn't do your homework? Just one homework.
Yes.
Okay, go. Read the sentences. Choose the correct word. A, B, or C. Would you like a cup of tea?
I write in the paper.
In the paper? Where's the paper?
I don't
Where's
know.
I don't know. Teacher did not see it, so I don't know too. Okay, do you still remember your answer?
Yes.
Okay, then you know what to do. Write your answer.
Some lemon. You
only need
bread and sugar.
Okay, very good. Okay, let's read. I'm really hungry. Read the sentences. Why are you checking it? Teacher will check it. Okay, you're going to read your answers. Go. I'm really hungry. Okay, go.
I'm very hungry.
I'm really hungry.
I'm really hungry. Can I have my sandwich now?
Correct.
There are some lemons of orange juice on the table.
Very good.
Are you thirsty? Would you like some lemonade?
Good job.
Can I have some noodle in this bowl?
Very good.
We need a bigger cup for this lemon.
Cup for this watermelon. Do you need cup for the watermelon, Behai? Do you put the watermelon in the cup? Where do you put the watermelon? Plate, not plate. Plate. Plate, say it. Okay, so that's plate. Next.
Vegetable. My favorite are carrot and onion.
Okay, very good. That's correct. Number 8.
You only need bread and cheese for make a sandwich.
To make a sandwich. Okay, good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 out of 7. Very good, Behai.
6/7.
7 out of 7. Oh, you want 6 over 7? Okay, next. Let's go. There's a story here. Did you read the story, Behai? Did you do this one? This part? Reading and writing?
No.
No? Okay, read the words first. Read the words.
Football, burger, walk,
Walk.
eat, homework, dog, rotate,
Road.
roll, jumper,
Jump.
milk,
Jump.
yell,
And milk. Oh, remember the words, okay? This is walk. This is jump. Homework, dog, milk, road the bicycle, rode the car, eat, football. Okay, let's go. Read and use the words in the box. Go. My name is...
My name is Fry. I read computer, comic book, and football. At the week, I play football. I have also like to doing things with my family and my friends. Yesterday, my sister and I
What will you use? Choose your answer here. My sister and I... Yesterday, my sister and I... Okay, write your answer. Yesterday. Write your answer, Bahai. Okay. Continue. To the park and played with Dan. Who is Dan?
Here, Dan is here.
Who is Dan? And played with Dan. Dan is our eat, our homework. Who is Dan? Is it eat, homework, football, burger, walk, dog, road, jump, milk? Rode the bike. What word you're going to use? It should be a noun. You play with Dan. Who is Dan? Dan is a
dog.
Okay, write your answer. Where is your walk here? At the park.
At the park, there are children.
There were children. There were other children.
Other children. What we felt. We played with them too. I hate him and I like all but though by the beach.
What's your answer?
That's correct. Can I see the answer? No. Can I see the word? Word?
These are the words.
One moment. I write in the paper. Finish.
Okay, number 4.
Can I go to the school and I tell me home to? Can I see the world? Can I
And
see the world? I
the
can see
words.
the world. Oh, I can see the world.
And blank burgers. What's that? So, we went for a swim and then came home to blank something because we were hungry. When you're hungry, what will you do? Okay, write your answer.
Home to eat.
Okay, write your answer.
I did.
Huh? What did you do?
Can I see the world? World? Can I see the world? No. Bro, eat quack. People. Oh, I'm finished. Can I go to the homework?
Okay. Tomorrow is Monday, so I must do my...
My
Huh?
The worksheet is very nice.
Dun, 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 dun.
I was go to home.
I must do my job tonight. I work and I play at the weekend. Okay.
I don't know.
I thought you're going to use homework. What do you need to do before Monday?
Homework.
Okay, write your answer. Where are your all answers?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, teacher will write it, okay?
No.
Okay, you will write. Teacher will wait. Hi. What's
No.
okay? Are you finished?
Yes.
Okay, you've got dog here, right? Jim and I rode our bikes. Okay, walk, dog, eat, homework. Now, your answers are all correct. 5/5. Please read the story. Read the story. Go, Behay.
My name is Ray.
Come on, come here.
My name is Ray. I like computer, comic book, and football. At the week, I like play sports. I also like do things with my family and friends. Yesterday, my sister, I went to the park and play with them out dog at the park. There are all the children that we have. I don't know. Oh,
Where? New.
we knew we play game with them too. Today, my friend Jim and I rode out by the beach when we went for a swim and then came home for eat
To eat
got something.
something.
We were hungry. My mother made us some lunch. We had a burger and some cheese. It was very nice, but first food is chicken potato. Tomorrow is Monday, so I must do homework tonight. Yes, I work and I Like at the week, I like.
Okay, very good. That's great. So we have finished this. Good job. Good job, Behai. Okay, teacher will give you your ice cream. There's your ice cream, Behai. Good job. Bum, 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 bum. Now let's go, Behai. Okay, Behai, let's do this listening test, okay? You're going to listen and match. Are you ready?
Okay.
Can you read the names here first?
Miss Brown, Peter, Paul, Tom, Miss Rim, Miss Meter, Samba, Seal.
Mrs. Brown, Peter, Paul, Tom, Mrs. Green, Mr. Farmer, and Sue. You're going to draw lines, okay? Behai.
Okay.
So,
Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
Hello. There are a lot of people here today.
Yes, there are. Can you see Mrs. Brown?
Yes,
Where is she?
she's riding her bicycle.
Oh, yes. She rides very quickly, doesn't she? Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines. 1.
Where's Mrs. Green? Do you know her?
Yes, she's in front of the supermarket.
Oh, what's she wearing?
A red skirt and a red hat.
Oh, yes, I can see her now.
2.
Where's Paul?
He's looking in the window of the toy shop with a friend.
But which one is Paul?
The boy who's carrying a school bag.
Oh, I see him.
3.
I need to find Mr. Farmer. Can you see him?
Yes, I can.
Where is he?
He's there in his car.
Which car?
The small blue one. 4. Look at Tom. He's very tired today.
Where is he?
He's sitting outside the bank.
Well, he played a lot of tennis yesterday.
Yes, that's why he's sitting down now. 5. Is that Sue?
Where?
Walking with the 2 children.
Oh, yes, that's Sue. But who are the children?
I think they're her cousins. Now listen to part 1 again.
I'm finished.
done?
1.
Okay. Let's check. Where is Mrs. Green? Who is Mrs. Green?
Mr. Green is
Mrs. Green is a woman.
wearing a red skirt and red hat.
Is wearing a red cap and
Red skirt.
red skirt in front of the supermarket. That's correct. Where is Paul? Paul is the boy looking Read the sentence number 2, Behai.
Looking at the toy. Paul and the boy looking at the stuff
At,
wearing a school bag.
at the toy shop. Looking at in the toy shop window, carrying a school bag. That's correct. Who is Mr. Farmer? Behai. Who is Mr. Farmer?
Meet the farmer and the man driving a smart blue car.
That's Mr. Farmer. Very good. Who is Tom?
Is it the Tom filling the bridge outside the bank?
Okay, that is Tom. And who is Sue? Who is Sue? Who is Sue? Behai.
Sue is a girl with the children.
Okay, so that is Sue. Sue, the girl with the 2 children. Okay, very good, Behai. Good job, Behai. You've got 5 correct answers, Behai.
And one no correct answer.
And one
No correct answer.
and one not correct answer. All correct answers. Okay, next. You're going to listen and write. There is one example. Okay, so you're going to write your answer on the line. Go.
Part 2. Listen and look. There is one example.
Hello, Tom. Can I ask you some questions?
All right.
What's your family name?
Hill.
Can you spell that?
H-I-L-L.
Thank you.
Can you see the answer?
Can you see
Now
the
you
answer?
listen and write.
It's your turn, Behai. Come on.
1,
And where do you live, Tom?
15 High Street.
Can you spell hi, please?
H-I-G-H.
2,
Now, how old are you, Tom?
10. It
What's
was
your
my birthday
answer?
last week.
You're very tall.
Yes, all my family are tall.
And I can hear it.
You cannot hear it?
3,
Now, what's your father's
Okay,
name?
one more time,
look.
okay? Go.
There is one example.
Hello, Tom. Can I ask you some questions?
All right.
What's your family name?
Hill.
Can you spell that?
H-I-L-L.
Thank you.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write. 1,
And where do you live, Tom?
15 High Street.
Can you spell hi, please?
H-I-G-H.
2.
Now, how old are you, Tom?
10. It was my birthday last week.
You're very tall.
Yes, all my family are tall.
3.
Now, what's your father's name?
John, like my older brother.
So there are 2 Johns in the family.
Yes.
4.
John?
And
Not
your
John.
mother's name?
It's Claire.
Is that Clare?
That's right.
5.
Now, what's the matter?
My neck hurts.
Is it very bad?
Yes, it hurts a lot.
Can I repeat again?
Again.
Now listen to part 2 again.
Okay, anyway, Behay, we will continue this on. We will continue our test, the English listening test, on Tuesday. Okay,
No.
do you like that?
Yes.
Okay. Teacher will give you your homework about there is, there were, there were, there are, there was. Okay?
Hôm qua bố dạy con sai rồi đó.
Okay. You will do this. Okay? You know how to do it, right?
Mày lắm rồi đó.
Rồi thôi.
Okay.
Morning.
Bye bye
Good
teacher.
morning, Daddy. Okay.
Sao
I'll
là
see you
ba
again.
giờ là sao?
Ơi trời. Ủa?
Okay, very good. Okay, just continue to practice, okay? Continue to practice the word sentence pattern we learned today, okay?
Oh, bye.
Okay, good job, class. Goodbye.
Bye bye teacher.